Often lose money trading binary options. You cannot double capital and to try different strategies every day in search for the best one. This video is for you. Now I'm going to work in real time with one of my favorite and simplest strategies and give you the top secrets that helped me stop losing money in trading a few years ago. The results of test method are very impressive. Over the past months, I have received more than 100 positive reviews, so I know what I'm talking about. The type candle is Raking Ash, M1 in the time frame, okay? Now you use Alligator and Oscillator moving average. So let's start with the Alligator, okay? Let's click on it and choose 10 on period, 5 shift, 7 period, 3 shift, 4 and 1, jaws, teeth and lips, and just choose the best style for you. Now let's configure the moving average oscillator, okay? 15 to fast, 25 to slow, and 20 for signal, right? And choose the best style for you. Just this. I'll always change the color to histogram. $23 in my account. The trade time is 30 seconds. I will start with all my amounts. My prediction is that the price will go up, okay? As it looks like here. Before I press the green button, right now and open buy trade. Yeah, my guys, this is a fast strategy. So I tell you everything step by step. After a long downtrend right here, as you can see, okay? Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. We can see a correction in a market reversal. So click on the buy button. Okay, this is very clear, visible with the help of alligator lines. The three lines intersect at one point and change the records. It happened at about 10 or maybe 7 minutes ago, and during the time I become convinced that the whales, this was not a fake moment. Then using the histogram, it's a very good one. The blue candles are growing and this partner looks very, very strong. In general, I almost sure that a new trend is starting, and that's why I opened several buy trades. Yeah, guys, you understood me correctly. I opened 2 trades, and let's wait for the result. As you can see, that it was a profit. And after that I opened the trade again, my main task is to control the candles. If everything is moving steadily, I open from 2 to 5 or 7 quick trades. It's up to you. If something goes wrong, I stop and look for another counter there. Here my 2 trades are profitable. Look at this. Okay, I didn't risk large amount and made more than $65 for net profits in a few minutes. It's so where you should go to start. Now let's use $65 in another entry. Okay, let's move on. I do not change the settings. There is an OTC currency. I'm starting a new series of trade with this matter. You can trade whatever you want. Okay, OTC currency like currency, cryptocurrency, stocks, or any other asset that are available for trading. So don't ask me why I choose OTC. I just saw the good button, a good opportunity for the signal, and I'm working here. It's a fast strategy, so there is no point in think about it. The secret of this matter is the correct button for any signal. Your Raking Ash candle should like the waist or don't know the DNA chain. Okay? Candles grow, candles fall, and when this repeats, you need to know when it get this point right here. When it gets the histogram, to click correctly on the button. Okay? So just pay attention on this. And as you can see, 4 seconds, 3, 2, 1, And as you can see, I choose very smooth and beautiful corrections. The indicator gives a good signal before I make a profit again. The partners show logical and understandable. The simple, the better. I make intervals between trades for about 10 seconds. And if I see a really good signal, I can even open trades in a row. But now I do not do this, so it's not a waste of time. I think you have already understood how it works, alright? The second secret, guys, is the entry point to the trade. Otherwise, you to open a trade at the time when you see from 3 to 7 candles on the oscillator moving average, the blue histogram. If there are no candles, it's early. If you see more than candles, it's too late. So just pay attention on it. And don't forget the first strategy. We need to get the crossing line between the lines of the alligators and the histogram. Now I want to show you how to not do this, okay? Look at this, guys. Now the signal is look bad, okay? I guessed all the secrets and rules, but I opened a trade here. I think it'll be a losing signal, but maybe I would be lucky and it will be a profit. In any case, my friends, you need to remember the third partner is very dangerous and you can make serious, often profitable signals. Otherwise, you need to look for something better and do not try to work here. Even if you catch a loss, the best solution is to pause for 1 or 2 hours. Wait for the market to update and try again. We'll be careful. Sometimes it will help it, but sometimes there will be bad days and this strategy doesn't work. Yeah, my guys, this is absolutely normal. Out of 10 profits day, sooner or later there will be 1 or 2 unprofitable days. So 1 step back and 2 step forward. And look at this, it's super, guys. I made a profit again. I'm look today, I'm ready to take stock. Okay, and look my balance, 323. I made $300 using this strategy. It's really simple as possible. So I hope you use my rules. So write your opinion in the comments. It's very interesting for me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and just write me something on my Telegram link in the video description. So right now, I wish you good luck, good profits, and see you soon. And my